Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you my hardware setup, my hardware that I use to run Arch Linux with QTILE and Hyprland. My main PC is a custom system that I built in 2021 and my laptop is a refurbished Lenovo ThinkPad T460S. I'm curious to hear your setup for QTILE, Hyprland or other Linux distribution. Share your preferred setup in the comments below if you like. Let me show you some details. I'm here on my desktop PC, my main system that I'm using, and here is the output of NeoFetch. It's an Arch Linux system. It's the kernel 6.4.11, 1117 packages installed. You see here I'm running Hyprland. Breeze Dark is my theme for the GTK and for the icons. Terminal is Alacrity. When I scroll down, you see a bit more information about my hardware. It's a Gigabyte motherboard, the B550 Aorus Elite. It's a 6-core AMD Ryzen 5 3600 XT. The first GPU, my main GPU, is an AMD Lexa Pro, a Radeon 550. And the second GPU is an Nvidia card, the GeForce GTX 760, and the driver is VFIO PCI. That means this is my graphic card that I pass through to my virtual machines. Let me show you that. Let's open Windows 11, virtual machine with looking class. Let's go to full screen and search for device manager. And here you can see in display adapters that the Nvidia GeForce GTX 760 is available for Windows 11 with GPU pass-through. The screen resolution is 2560, 1440 with 120 Hertz. And I'm running Wayland, 1 terabyte hard drive installed, plus 22 gigabytes RAM. Now I'm on QTILE. Of course, there are from a hardware side no changes, but you see that I'm running QTILE with Xorg. And this is the output of NeoFetch, the window manager QTILE. And now I'm on my laptop. It's a Lenovo ThinkPad, also here Arch Linux kernel 6.4.11. Screen resolution is 1920 1080. Breeze Dark is installed. I'm running Hyprland, and the CPU is an Intel i7. And the GPU is from Intel as well. It's an Intel Skylake GT2, HD graphics 520. And I have 8 gigabytes of RAM. And that's my hardware setup of today. No fancy things. I think all mid-class components that are enough for me for my daily work, for my desktop applications. See you next time.